friends, welcome back to Arts and Crafts. Today we're going to be turning some of my smaller punch needle rugs into cute punch needle tote bags. I do have another video up, but I have since learned how easy this actually can be. So I wanted to do an up-to-date tutorial on how I make my punch needle tote bags and how easy it can be for you to do the same thing. We will start with the materials. Of course, you're going to need some tote bags. I got mine from Michael's, this pack of 3. We got a black one, a gray one, and a white one. You are then going to need a hot glue gun and some hot glue. I recently found Gorilla Glue, which is cool. I didn't know they made these in hot glue sticks. So now we know these really aren't going anywhere. And that's literally about it. You just need the tote bags, the glue, and the rug pieces you're gonna work on. We're going to do an avocado, a flower, and a pink yin and yang tote bag. If you want a more detailed version of how I got to this point with these rugs, you can go back onto my coaster video about 1 or 2 videos back. But as for preparing these for the tote bags, you do that just how I do any other coaster or backing of my rugs. So with these pieces, all we're gonna do is clean up the edges here and add that waterfall edge, and then we'll get right into the tote bag. Now that we have all of our rug pieces backed and ready to go, time to glue them onto the tote bag. So for my designs, as you can see, I have 2 of them. They're going on front and back. I'm gonna start with this white cutie. So I just lay it down on one side, take my rug and my hot glue that is loaded with my Gorilla Glue sticks. I create a line around the whole edge and then a good amount all in there. And we're just gonna stick her right on. Try and make it as center as possible. As easy as that. Flip it over. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same hot glue that I did on the rest of these tote bags, and then I'll come back when they're all done. And just like that, we are all done. With already having bought the tote bags and making the coasters beforehand, this whole process took like 20 minutes max. I thought it'd just be cool to show you guys a really easy art craft that you can use with your rugs. So just like that, let's take a look at these cuties. Starting with this pink one, we have the yin yang. She's gorgeous, we love her. Cute. Then we have the gray, I love this guy. The gray avocado. Boom, boom. I might keep this one and use it for like groceries and stuff. Cause like, that is so cute. And then last but not least, I have this double-sided flower. These are awesome. I'm really happy with how these turned out. A great easy little project to do with your rugs. Also a great easy gift for people. I think that with Christmas coming up, I'm definitely gonna be using these guys to throw into some stockings as some extra gifts. Always handy. Just like that, easy peasy, we are all done. And so much easier than how I was trying to do it before. So I'm just really glad to do this updated version of how I make my punch needle tote bags because it is so easy and you can do it too. But yes, I had a lot of fun putting these pieces together. It has also given me an idea. I think the next project I'm gonna do with the punch needle tote bags is doing a mix of the punch needle rugs and using my Cricut to add some words. Stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and getting this far in this video. And until next time, peace!